Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix and solve Google Drive unable to access document. If you're having trouble opening a file in Google Drive, don't worry. This issue is often caused by connection problems, browser data, or settings that can be adjusted in just a few minutes. We'll walk through several simple things you can check to get your document working again. Start by going to Google Drive in your browser. Once you're there, try accessing the document again so you can confirm the issue is still happening. This gives you a clear starting point before making any changes. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Google Drive from loading documents properly, especially since Drive depends on constant access to Google's servers. If your connection seems slow, disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi may help. You can also run a speed test in your browser. This helps you confirm whether your internet is performing well enough to load cloud-based files. If the speed test shows poor performance, the problem may not be Google Drive itself, but your network connection. If the issue still isn't settled, go back to Google Drive and look at the upper right part of your screen. Click the three-dot menu in your browser. From there, choose the option to delete browsing data. Cookies and cached files can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, which may interfere with how Google Drive opens documents. Clearing them can refresh your browser and remove files that may be causing the problem. Another option is to click the same three-dot menu in the upper right corner of your screen and locate the Help section. This is useful because it can lead you to browser information and support tools that may point out what's going wrong. While you're there, check whether your browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not work smoothly with Google Drive features. If an update is available, install it and then try opening the document again. You can also try switching to another browser to see if the problem is specific to the one you're currently using. Finally, disable some browser extensions that might be causing the issue. Certain add-ons, especially privacy, security, or content filtering extensions, can interfere with Google Drive and block documents from loading correctly. Turn them off one at a time, then test the file again after each change. By checking your connection, clearing browsing data, updating your browser, trying a different browser, and disabling extensions, you can usually fix the Google Drive unable to access document problem quickly and easily.